Okay, so I'm going to show you real quickly how to do what you asked me, which was how to get a YouTube video where you can ask corresponding questions. So if I have, this is the question I'm going to end up asking. What is the second step mentioned in the video? And then I just added some random options down here. So again, when you go up here to the question setup and you click on that little cell phone and music note right here, then when you go to video player and you hit, okay, so you're going to hit upload video, but you have to hit, so because you want YouTube and not just a video you have saved where you could add it right there, you're going to hit more options. So when you hit more options, right here you see the source URL. So it's not the embed code, it's just the URL. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to come back. I'm going to paste it. And then when I hit OK, I'm going to scroll down and you'll see it previews right there. And then that's how I'll know that the video that I wanted is where it needs to be. So that's it. All right, hope that helps.